All right, in 90 seconds, I'm going to teach you about structural lipids. And let's start with the structure of structural lipids. They have a polar, hydrophilic, water-loving head and a non-polar, hydrophobic, water-hating tail. AKA, structural lipids are amphipathic. They form bilayers, the basic structure of cell membranes. The fluidity of the membrane is influenced by the chemical structure of those tails. Saturated fatty acid tails contain only single bonds, so they pack together more solidly, increasing membrane rigidity. Unsaturated fatty acids have one or more double bonds, and these kinks prevent them from packing together tightly, which increases membrane fluidity. Okay, now on to the types of structural lipids. You've probably heard of phospholipids, whose polar head has a phosphate group connected to an alcohol backbone with two fatty acid tails. If that alcohol backbone is glycerol, it's called a glycerophospholipid, and if it's sphingosine, it's a sphingophospholipid. An important sphingophospholipid is sphingomyelins, a crucial part of the structure and function of a nerve's myelin sheath. Structural lipids with a sphingosine backbone are the sphingolipids, and these only have one fatty acid tail. If it's got a polar head with a phosphate group, it's a sphingophospholipid. If it's got a sugar head and no phosphate group, it's a glycosphingolipid. You can probably sense a pattern here, how you can mix and match different building blocks to make a slightly different product. Just remember the head group determines the membrane surface properties. A glycosphingolipid with a single sugar is a cerebroside. Two or more sugars in the head are globosides. And a gang of sugars, aka an oligosaccharide at the head, are gangliosides. A sphingosine backbone with no sugar or phosphate and just a single hydrogen head group is a ceramide. And last, waxes, which are just one long chain fatty acid attached to a long chain alcohol, and like wax, they're very hydrophobic. And that's it. Check out the full lesson for all the biochemical details at sketchy.com.